Today's Monday makeup lesson is how to make your eyes bigger and brighter. Start with a highlighting eyeliner and apply to the inner corner. Then apply on the outer corner but leaving a small space in the middle. This creates the illusion of bigger eyes. Highlight underneath the highest point of your brows and the inner half of the eyelid. Soften this out with a brush or your fingertips, but don't spread it out too far. Take an eyeshadow one shade lighter than your skin tone and apply across the eyelid, starting on the inner corner each time. Take an eyeshadow a few shades darker than your skin tone and outline a high crease. To create this, keep the eyes open and line above the eyelid. Then soften and feather this outwards. Take an eyeliner, black or brown, and line the outer edge of the eye. Use your lower lash line as a guide. Then sweep this inwards across the lid, but keep it to the outer third of the eye. Line the lower lash line on the outer third and connect on the outer edge of the eye. Soften and feather this outwards, creating a blurred line. This will give the illusion of larger eyes because there's no definite starting or end point. To finish, apply a shimmering highlighter to the inner corner and soften this outwards. Also apply highlighter to the center of the lid just to catch the light. Use whatever's left over on the brush on the highest point of the brow. Make sure to curl your eyelashes. Curled lashes add volume to the eye shape, making them appear larger, and fake eyelashes can really help this too. And there you go. Larger, brighter eyes. Check out last week's Monday makeup lesson for flawless foundation application. See you next time. Bye!